So here's my reverse engineering project, and it's by me, Ian Calloway. Here's my design brief. So I chose the Pentel Click, a mechanical pencil, for this project. In the project, I had to reverse engineer an item that met all the requirements, and those requirements were that it had to have at least 2 parts, and it had to be made of 2 different materials. The visual analysis. As you can see, there are both straight and curved lines that are present, as well as cool colors, which are the green and the purple. The textures are mostly smooth around the pencil, and it has a symmetrical balance. There is contrast between the green and the purple, obviously, so that puts emphasis on the pusher piece. Here's the cap. I have all the dimensions, material, density, volume, surface area, and mass. And my inventor drawings are right there. As you can see, I annotated the middle of I put all the dimensions on it, and I annotated the middle of the hole. The hole is for graphite to be able to go through. Here's the lower body. Again, dimensions and my inventor drawing. The slot right here, as you can see, the slot is made for it's made to create space for the pusher dispenser button thing that I will get to next. Here's the upper body. On my actual piece, the clip broke off, but as you can see, I drew it on Inventor, and so that would be for hooking onto your shirt or something of that nature. And then the top right here is for holding the eraser. Here's the eraser. The bottom right here is for going into the upper body, and once again, all the dimensions and labeling. Here's the piece dispenser. So my actual piece dispenser got lost, so I had to borrow my brother's. That's why it's purple, but usually it would be green. And as you can see, the 2 little slots right there are for going into the lower body. And when you push the dispenser, then it pushes a piece of plastic forward, which lets graphite out. I'll get to that in a minute. Here are 3 photos of the product. On the left here is my inventor drawing assembly. So that's a little snippet of that. There's the actual product, and there is the assembled inventor drawing. So the functional analysis. The product is used as a writing utensil, obviously, and it has graphite and an eraser that comes with it. The graphite, it can be placed into the inner tube, and when you press the dispenser button, it releases a small amount of the graphite. How the pen works. So, like I mentioned earlier, there's a small piece of plastic at the end of the pencil that is usually surrounded by the cap, and that plastic has a small slit right down the middle of it, and there's a small brass ring that's at the bottom right next to it. So when you press the dispenser button, the plastic is pushed forward, but the ring stays back, which allows for the slit in the plastic to open, and that lets the graphite slip forward. And then when you let go of the button, it slides back, the plastic slides back and gets covered by the ring, and the ring closes the slit, and so then the graphite can't come back into the pencil when you're writing. Here's 2 photos that I took of what I was just talking about. So as you can see, this is a photo of when you're not pressing the button. So there's the plastic right there, and then the ring that I talked about is right there. And then when you push the button, the plastic comes out and there's the slit, and the slit allows the graphite to slide out, and the ring stays back because the cap keeps it back. And then finally, here's my structural analysis, and it's just the product disassembly chart. So I have the 5 parts. And so that's my presentation. Thank you.